If you use Evernote every day, this simple setup can save you a surprising amount of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically create a daily note in Evernote, step by step, so you can keep your thoughts, tasks, and plans organized without starting from scratch each morning. We'll first create a reusable template, then we'll turn on Evernote's automatic daily note feature so a fresh note appears every day using your chosen layout. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Evernote and productivity tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote and create a new note. This is going to be the base for your daily note template, so set it up exactly the way you want it to look every day. You can add a title, headings, checklists, sections for goals, priorities, meeting notes, habits, or anything else that helps you stay organized. The idea is to build a structure that you can reuse every single day without having to recreate it manually. Once your note layout is ready, go to the top right corner of the note and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains a few extra options for managing your note, including the ability to turn it into a template. From the drop-down, select Save as Template. Evernote will then let you store this note layout as a reusable template, which is exactly what we need for automatic daily notes. After that, click Save to confirm. At this point, your note is now available as a template inside Evernote. You only need to do this once unless you want to update the layout later. If you ever want to change the design of future daily notes, you can come back and edit the template at any time. Now let's turn on the automatic daily note feature. Click your profile icon in Evernote, then open Settings. This is where Evernote keeps your account preferences and note behavior options. Once the settings window opens, look for the Preferences section and choose Template. This area controls how Evernote handles daily note creation. Next, turn on Automatically Create a Note Each Day. This is the key setting that tells Evernote to generate a new note every day without you having to click anything. After that, choose the notebook where you want your daily notes to be saved. Picking the right notebook is important because it keeps all of your daily entries in one place, making them easier to search, review, and organize later. Now select the template you created earlier from the template list. This tells Evernote exactly which layout to use every time it creates a new daily note. Once you've chosen the notebook and template, close the settings window. That's it. Evernote will now automatically create a new note each day based on the template you selected. This is a great system if you use daily notes for journaling, work planning, content ideas, habit tracking, or meeting summaries. Instead of opening a blank note and rebuilding the same structure every day, Evernote does the work for you in the background. It keeps your workflow simple, consistent, and much faster. Here's one extra tip before you go. You can edit the template at any time and future daily notes will use the updated version. Just remember that existing notes will stay exactly as they are, so you won't accidentally overwrite old information. That makes this feature flexible and safe to use as your routine changes over time. And that's how to automatically create a daily note in Evernote. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next productivity tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.